Hello friends, welcome back to my scholars. Learning made simple. Some students feels great difficulty while learning trigonometric ratios. That is very easy. इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज को लर्न करना कितना इजी काम है। पहले भी एक वीडियो में मैंने बताया था आपको कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज को लर्न करना बहुत इजी है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट थिंग that is phrase पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर भोले HHB PBP HHB. So this way, first is sine. This is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So which is very easy. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle in which, say, it is theta, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So this upon this, OPM. So this is sin theta is equal to PM upon OP, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. और लर्न करने के लिए आप इसे सिर्फ ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं, परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। ये ऊपर लिखना है, ये नीचे। सेकंड थिंग, cos थीटा। नाउ cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, बेस और एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज। Base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Which is this? This is right angle triangle, and this is theta. This is OPM. So cos theta will be OM upon OP. Hypotenuse same with sin and cos. Cos theta is equal to OM upon OP, base upon hypotenuse. Now tan theta, we are taking tan theta. Is it easy? It is. So tan theta is this. Tan theta is P upon B. Means that tan theta is equal to perpendicular or opposite side upon base. और tan theta को आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, this upon this in right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Suppose this is right angle triangle, और इस right angle triangle में ये tan थीटा हो जाएगा OPM. So tan theta is equal to PM upon OM. Very easy. Tan theta is equal to PM upon OM. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. Now just opposite of these, opposite of sin theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर, अपोजिट ऑफ साइन थीटा, और कॉसेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा, और साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन कॉसेक थीटा. Both are opposite of each other. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular. This is first and then this base. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, or cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. And thereafter sec theta. Now sec theta. Sec theta is equal to h upon b, hypotenuse upon base, or this hypotenuse and this is base. First hypotenuse and then base below it. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, or sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon this लिख दें तो ये उल्टा हो जाएगा, sec theta बन जाएगा. sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, और cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट होंगे. Now cot theta. Cot theta is the opposite of tan theta. Cot theta. Cot theta. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular, or it means base upon opposite side, adjacent side upon opposite side. So this is cot theta is the opposite of tan theta. Cot theta is sin theta upon, or cos theta upon sin theta. Cot theta, we can also write cot theta for cos theta upon sin theta, or cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, because tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, cos theta upon sin theta, or 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. So cot theta is this. First we shall take this and then this, numerator, denominator. This is cot theta, which is opposite of tan theta. In tan theta we take this upon this. So this way, there are all the formulas. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, or tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, or tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दें tan आ जाएगा, और ये नीचे से ऊपर को इसको इससे डिवाइड कर दें तो cot आ जाएगा. So this way we have got all the trigonometric ratios. Now the formulas, there are only 3 formulas, out of which one is very basic formula, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस, हाउ टू गेट दिस sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or we can say sin square theta transposing this cos square theta to that side, 1 minus cos square theta. Or we can also write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. और अगर sin थीटा निकालना हो तो sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ले लेते बोथ द साइड, कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. This way, first formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now the second is, if we divide both the side by sin theta, we shall get sin square theta upon sin square theta is equal to 1, or cos square theta upon sin square theta. So that will be cot square theta, and 1 upon sin square theta will be cosec square theta, cosec square theta. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, or 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. इसको ट्रांसपोज कर देते हैं. 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta, और cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, और cot theta is equal to square root cosec square theta, स्क्वायर रूट ले लेते हैं बोथ द साइड, cosec square theta minus 1, और cosec theta is equal to square root 1 plus cot square theta. So these are the derivatives of those three formula. First formula is this, second formula is this, and third formula. Third formula is dividing both the side by cos theta. So sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. So this will be tan square theta. Sin square theta upon cos square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1 is equal to, this will be sec square theta. So tan square theta plus 1, or 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, or 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, or sec theta is equal to square root 1 plus tan square theta, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, or tan theta is equal to square root ले लेते हैं sec square theta minus 1. So these are all the formulas. आप इस तरह से पूरे formulas को लर्न कर सकते हैं, and very easily you can calculate all the trigonometric ratios. I hope so that you would learn all these formulas by using this trick. Thank you for watching, my scholars.